Quick update on the Mercedes. Everything turned out good. No leaks on the power steering pump. I've been driving for about a week now. So far, so good. So we're gonna get to work on this Audi tune-up plugs, coils, cabin air filter, and normal air filter.
What?
There's it's a bunch of videos on this already online, so I'm not gonna go like too much in detail. I'll explain a little bit along the way. Here's everything. Air filter, normal air filter.
What did he say?
Not talk today. Ignition coils. NGK spark plugs. I'm gonna time lapse, probably talk over it where I need to. I'll see you in a minute. This is just me removing the bracket that holds the coil pack harness. Disconnecting each one of the coil packs from the harness. I have to kind of push it back out of the way. This is me removing the coil packs, and you see me struggling. They hard to get out. Zipping out each of the spark plugs. Of course, I already unloosened them. Showing you how dirty they were. I don't think nobody ever changed these. It's 80,000 miles on this car. I forgot what the interval is on spark plug changes on this car, but I'll find it in the owner's manual. So yeah, these are all the old NGKs, as you can see. That thing is probably, these are more than likely the ones that came from the factory, I'm guessing. I'm at about 85,000 miles. I'm sure the previous owners get theirs done. Yes, that's what you're supposed to look like. These are already pre-gapped, so I don't have to worry about gapping them. So let's get these in, let's get these coil packs in, and move on to the air filter. Putting the new spark plugs back in. Of course, you always hand tighten first and then torque them down to whatever the spec is. Mine actually was on the box of the spark plug, so made it real easy. I didn't have to look anything up. Torquing the spark plugs. Most people say don't double torque, but I do it anyway. Installing the coil packs, you just want to set them down in there and just give them a good firm press, and then seat them back into the harness once all 4 of them are in. As you see, I got a little visitor.
So I can fix my dump truck.
You want to fix your dump truck too?
Uh-huh.
All right. What's wrong with it?
It's broken down.
It's broken down?
Uh-huh.
All right. We're going to have to check it out.
You're almost finished with your car engine, right?
I'm almost finished with my car's engine.
Uh-huh.
And this is why my videos take so long to get done. My phone is constantly ringing, whether it's work or my other business filming. Just always something. But once all the coil packs are in, you just line up the coil pack harness, squeeze them all in, and make sure you close all of the locking tabs. Don't forget to replace the harness bracket. Just 6 screws. There's one under there. Can't see it. Just white. Those are your last 2. Just vacuuming up all the loose dirt and bugs before I replace the new air filter. I know, right? See? Nice and clean.
How does it do that?
By blocking the air, see?
Oh. What did that dirty one go?
Dirty one goes in the trash.
Trash?
Yep. Zip down all 6 bolts for the air filter cover. And then tighten up the screw that holds the hose to the air filter box. Replace the cover. And that's all. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.